Number one gold stock in our books.
Yeah. Well, Doubleview Gold Corp. Look, guys, we've talked about this company a little bit before. The time of recording, they had a great close. Closed upwards of 27 cents. We expect a lot of things coming, and so do other investors. So I don't know where you want to start.
Weekend's here, and honestly, we couldn't be more excited of how the week pulled out for Doubleview. Traded almost 1.1 million shares today, and we've been preaching it. We've been banging our hands on the table by Doubleview because we think it's going to be one of the best stocks this year.
Yeah, look, one in almost 1,000 gold companies actually become a real producing mine. We actually believe that this company has legs. Look, gold's looking great. Of course, election stuff, really moved gold up about $45 this week.
Yeah, it's trading around like 1950, so it's almost going back to the 2K range, which I think by the end of the year, it's definitely going to be past that, probably in the 2100s, but that's just being optimistic, I hope. But yeah, no, I expect some big things in the gold market. I think the bull market is just starting, and I just can't get enough of these Doubleview shares.
Yeah, well, let's talk Doubleview now, right? So as a quick highlight, based in Vancouver, the Golden Triangle. I'm sure we'll flash some stuff on the screen for you guys. So they've been doing some drilling. In the past, they've had partnerships with Hud Bay. They've got a great 3D IP.
Hud Bay is trading around $2 billion market cap, so it is a powerhouse. It is a major. And yes, so
there is an existing kind of partnership with Hud Bay. They did the 3D IP, tons of new tech. Well, let's talk about what we do know publicly, right? Publicly, we know that Frost Shots came out, so they have a drill target of at least 1,000 meters, and people expecting that it's about 1,500. They've been drilling for some time, so just
it's been a total of 3 months, I think, since they gave that last drilling update. So they got to be deep. They got to be in the Earth's core by now.
Yeah, they talked about going through some faults and things like that. So it's expected that they are somewhere between 1,000 to 1,500 and potentially even more.
Yeah.
So that's at least what we know. It looks like things are getting ready for news to start coming out. They've been drilling for some time, like we said. So we're in that perfect kind of segment where we expect news soon.
Yeah, no, it's trading at 27 cents. The last update, like I said, is almost 3 months ago. They closed a few financing between that, which they do have money in the bank. They've been drilling. We've seen some pictures of the campgrounds, of the guys going through it. And I think it's due time that there's going to be an update. And once the update comes, I think the market's going to react really well. And seeing Frost Shots, seeing his videos that he puts out almost every other Friday, how happy and how thrilled he is, I think there's going to be some great news coming.
Yeah, look, you can gauge someone's interest by how joyful they are, how bubbly they are, and he definitely comes across like he knows what he's got. So extremely interesting. Again, just talking more, they did have a previous hole, hole 34, that was incredible.
Yeah, almost 900 meters mineralized, which is crazy to me. Any other companies in that area aren't digging that deep and getting that type of mineralization, so that's pretty deep.
Yeah, and to give insight, right, they're copper, gold. Again, copper is extremely exciting, as we talked about, with electric vehicles and all that infrastructure needed. And then, of course, gold prices are crushing. So, this is definitely a company to look at. They're in a great area, tons of, mines in the area. So, look, this is definitely the one that we've been buying.
Yes, and if I had to be a bag holder of any company, any mining company right now, it would be Doubleview. And honestly, what is your price target? What do you think it's going to be in, let's say, 2 months from now?
Oh, that's hard. Like I want to say very conservatively, I would say 75 to 80 cents. From a bullish, crazy guy, I would say you could see maybe even close to $1.50 here.
Yeah, no, some of the comparisons that we're looking at is to Doer Gold. What other ones were there?
Red Chris.
They're all trading above a 400, 500 mil market cap, so they're in the $3-4 range already. and we are on pace to do similar results. And if we do get to a
Like
1500 hole,
and we can talk. There was a third-party report done. I'll have to bring it up. I'm sure we can show some parts of it. But they had a buy target at 47 cents with a 90% discount to the like resource calculation. That's crazy. So I think there was upwards of 30 billion pounds of copper and like 20 million ounces of gold.
I also did see another report having us target around almost $3 in a year from now, which is great. I think it's just more positivity. And like I said, it's trading a little crazy on Friday. Like I said, the close is already done, 1.1 million shares. So I expect something's coming. Options are getting issued out. And I think it's a time, if not, just grab a little starter pack and see how it goes from there. But
yeah, look, the nice part is you've got the wind on your back, right? Mining's doing well, gold is doing well, copper's doing well, expected to continue to do well with how much money the U.S. is printing. And, this is a great company to look at.
Yeah.
We don't mention many stocks that we own, but, this is one that we own. I definitely would say it's worth having a look. There's a lot of good information out there. Hopefully that we can show you guys some stuff like this, and we expect a good next couple weeks, couple months from this company. So stay tuned. We'll definitely have a look at it.
And yeah, if you guys have any other miners or junior miner stocks that you want us to look at or do a little video on, feel free to. And honestly, leave a like, subscribe as well, and we'll be updating you guys constantly.